happy Sunday. I am all dressed and I am heading out to Isle of Souls. They have Tanya Stephens performing tonight, so yeah, I've been wanting to go. It was supposed to keep, I think, the week off the week of homegirl Melissa, so it postponed until today. So yeah, I'm all dressed and ready to go. By the way, I went to the pharmacy this morning. I'm not sure if I show you guys that. Yeah. And then I did go into the supermarket, but I didn't know what to like show you guys that. But anyways, let's get into the cute fit. And I'm running late. It's 8:30 and I wanted to be there from 8 o'clock because it's gonna be a thick crowd seeing that it's Tanya Stephens performing. So I wanted to get there a little early to get a decent parking or whatever, but I do have some friends there. They've been there from 7 p.m. So I got my table, all right, but it's just a parking spot. It's gonna be an issue. Anyways, let's show you guys the full fit. Oh, I forgot to talk to you back, guys, about the last vlog that I posted when I went to Westmoreland Savlamar. I know what I think I said all that I needed to say in that video. If you haven't watched it yet, please go ahead and watch my last vlog that I posted. But yeah, it was definitely a rough time. It was eye-opening. Like, you see the videos on social media, but like physically going there and seeing it with your own eyes is just like something totally different. And like I told you about the traffic, it was crazy coming back into Kingston. I was in traffic for over 4 hours basically. I got home at 1:35 a.m. in the morning. We had met up with some friends like after 10 p.m. and we got a convoy because we got police escort to leave out. So we actually took another route into the mountains, and there's no sign reached Kingston State, but I got there at 1:35. So from 6 o'clock we were leaving out to Savlamar. I got home at 1:35 a.m. in the morning. So calculate the hours. It's crazy. So I implore you guys, if you are going out for relief support, heading down to West Savlamar, that side, please leave out 5 a.m. And either way, there was traffic on Spur Tree Hill to going, and we were probably there like after 8, after 9 on Spur Tree that side. So I implore you guys, if you're going down, go 5 a.m. in the morning and leave out by 2 o'clock, so you'll be home at a decent time. Anyways, let's get into the fit and I'll see you guys when I'm at Isle of Souls. This is the fit, something very casual, a Zara dress, MK bag, Zara sandals, and yeah. Oh, I need to put on my watch and I'm ready to go. Yep, ready. I'll see you guys there.
You know the money I'm gonna lose, I want sit now. You put a hand on the right, see the money on the right side. Put on your way from me, no hide. We love the King Kong. We love the King Kong. We love the King Kong. I wish you would have seen me like a yacht. Keep going while I'm dancing around. Why you can't see you coming like a diamond? I give you lips on like a marijuana.
Hey guys, happy Tuesday y'all. So I just got me my first meal of the day, a juicy beef chicken patty, and I am gonna have orange juice. So that is my dinner / lunch. I have some errands to run today, so that's the reason why I'm on the road. And then later we are gonna be going out for dinner. So that is the plan for today, Tuesday. So I'm gonna probably do like a get ready with me. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna get ready together today. I think I'm gonna go live too. I'm gonna see how that goes. So the first step for today, I need to go to the supermarket too, but I need to pick up something from a friend. So that's the first thing. The second thing, I need to go to the wholesale. So I need to get alcohol, peroxide. I need to get a hair thing to tie my head at night. I do have, but the ones that I'm having, they're a little bit like loose right now. So I'm gonna get that. What else? I do have a list, you know. Let me go through my list. So yeah, peroxide, I need to get roll-on, alcohol. Oh, I need to get nipple covers, and I'm definitely gonna need that for tonight. Nipple covers, and that's it. And then for this, oh, I need a white nail polish too, so I'm gonna get that nail polish for tonight. I need to do a pedicure. Right now my feet is like bare, so I'm just gonna get the white nail polish and just do that on my own for tonight until I get a pedicure. And the nipple cover is essential, so that's what I have. And then we're gonna head to the supermarket. I need eggs, juice, bath soap, tissue, washing soap, because I'm gonna have to wash this weekend. So that's the plan that we have for today. I need to go. It's 1:47, so the girl needs to get going.
Look what the hot body can do. Look, focus. Look what the hot body can do. Body be dancing, slow wine, so my body so fine. Drive push, when I met her inside. 2 points, and I met her inside. Makes sense.
So guys, we finished the errands that we did today, but I didn't get to show you guys everything because I was just moving fast and I just wanted to get home. Anyways, I am getting ready for dinner right now. It is 6:53, and my ride is coming for me at 7:30. So that means we ain't got no time. Okay, we don't have much time. Just using this for moisturize. We're just doing like a very minimal makeup. I have about 4 dresses on the bed, y'all. By the way, I don't know which restaurants I'm going. That's number 1. I just know that I'm going out for dinner. So if I had known which restaurant I'm going, then I would have known what dress to wear. But we never dress down. Okay, never dress down. So any one of those dresses can wear. They're semi date night, one specific dress is very formal. The other is a skirt set, which I'm not feeling, and the other 2 dresses can be worn. Like, guys, I need to purchase some clothing like 2026. Yeah, I'm gonna need some new clothes, the more capsule pieces, mature pieces. Yeah, I'm gonna need a few of those because I haven't really bought anything in a while, and I'm actually watching my budgets. I'm literally watching my spending. I've been watching my spending for months now, so I'm not really buying anything. I can't really buy anything right now. I mean, if I'm going, somewhere specifically and I need to purchase something, then yeah, I'm gonna do it. But like to just randomly shop at the moment, that's not happening. The girl needs to budget, the girl needs to save, and all of that. I want to go live, so I'm gonna turn on the live too. I'm going to go live on YouTube. It's almost 7 o'clock. I need to go live on YouTube. Let me just go live. I'm gonna name it Get Ready With Me. Next. Not made for kids. Go live. Let me wipe off the camera. Yeah, all right. I'm actually live, y'all. Let's see if anyone comes on. Like the last time I went live, I was there for like 20 minutes and nobody came on. Nobody came on. So let's see if something changes tonight. Let's see. All right, I'm live right now. Like I said, y'all, I'm just doing a quick beat. I don't have much space on my phone, so I'm gonna just pause y'all for a minute till I'm halfway in my face, pretty much. Okay, so I am ready for dinner. I actually went live, so if you were on my live, big up to you. Thank you so much. Anyways, so this is the dress I decided on. It's just very, it's just very classy. Okay, and like I said, I have no idea where I'm going for dinner. I don't know the restaurant, so it's better to dress up than down. So this is a fit. All right, I need to head out. The ride is outside.
Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are shade. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm kissing.
What's up, guys? It is a Wednesday, so happy Wednesday. Dinner was good last night. We went to Coppers. I didn't really like video a lot, but you listen, the restaurant was almost full to capacity on a Tuesday night. That's crazy. But for all who joined my live, thank you so much. The vibe was good. Like, I'm definitely gonna go live again. Yeah, so what I was saying, I'm in Burger King line right now. I am starving. Of course, I only had breakfast this morning and it's 4:30 p.m. in the afternoon. So yeah, I just thought, let me just, because I had to go on the road and I did an errand, let me just stop and get some food. I did take out chicken out of the freezer for morning, so that chicken is still defrosting in the thing, so I'm probably just gonna season it when I get home and put it back in the freezer and cook tomorrow, because I am actually going out for drinks. One of my friends, I haven't seen him in so many years, and he's in Jamaica, so he hit me up. So we're just gonna hang out for drinks tonight at Macaw. So yeah, that's the plan for today, Wednesday. Hope you guys are doing well. So I'll catch you guys when I get home. I'm so tired. I'm not tired, I'm like hungry. I'm really very, very low on energy. I ordered burger with bacon and I'm not a bacon. Before I came into Burger King line, I went to KFC line and the line was super, super long. Burger King line, come back, it wasn't that long, but it was long. So I just like, I prefer to go in the Burger King line than KFC line, because this KFC line was super long at this hour on a Wednesday. After 4 o'clock, the KFC line is terrible. I don't know. Anyways, see me next in the line to kind of collect my food. Like, when I feel for KFC, it's child. I can never get it when I feel for it. There's something on my lip. Hello. I can keep on making noise, man. Oh, I'm so hungry. I need to put the alcohol back in my car. I don't have any alcohol. It's gonna fall. Oh my god, it's gonna rain. It is not looking good to go in my car. And my car is outdoorsy. I probably should choose somewhere else, innit? I think we should. Thank you. So guys, why in the midst of getting ready, the light go away. There's no light in the entire community. There is no light at all. And lucky thing, I pressed the shirt, but what I remembered about the shirt is that I need like a pin to latch it because it's gonna show my bra. And with what I'm wearing, I need a long sleeve, and all of my long sleeve, they need for purse. Banana light. So I'm just gonna wear this, and then when I'm sitting or whatever, I just have to remember to just move it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the bra showing a little bit. I don't care at this point because I can't believe light go away. Lucky thing I wasn't wearing makeup or none of that jazz, and luckily the light never go away last night. No, that would have been funny. Anyways, I am heading out to meet my friend right now, and I'll catch you guys when I am there. Let's go. So guys, this is quite funny. Half of the road have light and half doesn't, and the half where I live, and this other light gone. Like, we don't understand. Wait, only a few. I don't understand this. Okay, this is, I guess some people have solar then, because no, a lot of people have solar up on the road there because look how much, see what the street light is on. So it cannot be solar alone, see? So piece of the road now have light, half of the road now have light, and the next half don't have any. Crazy business. Anyways, so let's head. We're going to my car.
Look what the hot body can do. Look. Focus. Look what the hot body can do. Body be dancing, slow wine, so my body so fine. Dive push, and I made her inside. 2 points, and I made her inside. Makes sense, oh, makes sense. Oh my God, I need resistance. Fragrance, and for my teeth.